Did you know that Georgia's unpredictable weather could be causing significant damage to your home? From heavy rains to unexpected storms, your gutters play a crucial role in protecting your property. In this video, we'll uncover why gutter services are essential for homeowners in Georgia and how they can save you from costly repairs. Stay tuned to learn more about keeping your home safe and dry. Gutters are more than just a decorative feature, they are vital in directing rainwater away from your home. In Georgia, with its heavy rainfall and sudden storms, gutters help prevent water from seeping into your foundation, walls, and roof. Without properly functioning gutters, homes are at risk of water damage, mold growth, and structural issues, which can lead to expensive repairs. Proper gutter maintenance can ensure your home remains safe and secure. Gutters face several common issues, especially in Georgia's climate. Leaves and debris can clog gutters, leading to water overflow and damage to your home's exterior. Leaks and improper installation can cause water to seep into walls and foundations, resulting in mold growth and structural problems. Regular inspection and maintenance can help identify and fix these issues before they cause significant damage, saving you from costly repairs. Professional gutter services like those offered by Stateline Gutters provide comprehensive maintenance and repair, ensuring your gutters function correctly year-round. As a veteran-owned and operated company, Stateline Gutters brings a dedication to excellence and attention to detail. Experts can spot issues that may go unnoticed and address them promptly, preventing costly damage. Regular cleaning and inspection extend the lifespan of your gutters, protecting your home from water damage. Investing in professional services not only saves you money in the long run, but also gives you peace of mind, knowing your home is well protected. From directing rainwater away from your property to preventing water damage, mold growth, and structural issues, well-maintained gutters are a homeowner's first line of defense. Common problems like clogging, leaks, and improper installation can be addressed through regular professional services, ensuring your gutters function optimally year-round. Your home safety starts with a well-maintained gutter system. By investing in professional gutter maintenance with Stateline Gutters, you not only protect your home, but also save money on potential repairs. Don't wait for the next storm to discover a problem. Take proactive steps today. Contact Stateline Gutters, a veteran-owned and operated company, to schedule an inspection and maintenance